I wanna get lost in you. Rest underneath.
This lesson was sponsored by Manly Bands, your source for affordable wedding bands with unique styles and materials to reflect your personality. Click the link below to check out all the styles and claim your special discount offer.
Alright, so this we're going to show is what's called a box step, and it's kind of a basic kind of go-to step that you can do throughout the whole dance.
It's a great alternative to just sort of a sway, which can kind of get boring. So it's a great home-based step that you can add lots of fun things into. So what you're going to do is the men are going to step forward with their left foot, and then the ladies are going to step back with our right foot. So we're in our dance frame. So it's really important, gentlemen, that you keep your elbow lifted and connected to the lady's arm. Yeah, so I want to feel that energy on that side of my body, so we're connected. And then here, I always say make sure this hand for weddings doesn't cover your face, right? We want to see your gorgeous faces, so lower it down just below your chin height. So there's a little bit of energy here in the frame. So we lift up nice and tall, and then we're going to soften our knees a little bit. Awesome. So Hunter is going to step forward with his left foot. I'm going to step back with my right. We're going to go 1, we step to the side, 2, draw it together on 3. Now he's going to go back with his right foot, and I'm going to go forward with my left. 1, side, 2, together, 3. So we're doing the 3 count. This step you can also do as a 4 count. Well, right now we're demonstrating the 3 count. So he goes forward with the left, ladies go back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Once you feel like you have that, you can add a little rise and fall. So with a waltz, you would go down, down, up, up, down, up. Nice.
Hope you found that helpful. Make sure you watch it a few times to really let it sink in, and make sure you also click the link below to check out manlybands.com and the special coupon they have for you on their already affordable wedding bands and the tons of different styles that you can go through. What I really like about them is that because they have so many styles here, you can really get something that reflects the personality for you and your relationship. So check those out, and thanks again for watching, and have a great first dance.